The weather's been quiet on Sunday with a high pressure extending across South Africa, allowing for a fine and cool day across the country, other than some cloud along the Western Cape coastline. But with that high pressure keeping things clear, we can expect yet another cold night, particularly over the interior, with minimum temperatures dropping below zero for the Free State, as well as parts of the Northern and Eastern Cape. As we head into Monday, the fine and sunny weather continues, with daytime highs slowly warming up, particularly over the interior. We also have a low forming along the west coast, resulting in light and variable winds, and that's ahead of a cold front which moves in on Monday night. For tonight, though, we have a dry forecast across South Africa as that high pressure stabilizes atmospheric conditions. In Durban, we'll see the minimum drop to 11 degrees overnight, with a northeasterly wind of up to 20 kilometers per hour, with a clear night in store. And then tomorrow we'll see that northeaster pick up to 25 kilometers per hour, with a sunny and warm Monday with a high of 24 degrees. On our wind map, you'll see those light and variable winds along the west coast due to the coastal low on Monday, and we're expecting a windy afternoon for the Northern Cape, with that northerly wind starting to pick up. Along the east coast, we'll see a northeasterly wind pick up by Monday afternoon, and in the Atlantic you can actually see the cold front boundary as it heads towards South Africa's borders and moves in on Monday night. On our minimum temperature map, you'll see a low of -3 degrees for Kimberley, Bloemfontein and Bethlehem, 1 degree for Johannesburg and Mahikeng, with a freezing start of the work week for Uppington, around 10 along the east coast, 6 for Port Elizabeth, with Bombela and George both dropping to 8 degrees overnight. Now you'll see how those daytime highs have remained quite a recovery from the weekend, with a mild Monday for Gauteng with maximums in the low 20s, with those daytime highs peaking in the mid-20s for KZN. Still quite cool though for Cape Town at 18 degrees, 23 along the coast between George and East London, and Uppington topping 26. Now on Tuesday, we're expecting sunny and warm weather still for the interior, but with that cold front bringing in wet and cooler weather over the southern part of the country. Richards Bay topping 29, but by Wednesday we'll see that rain and cooler weather move up the east coast, and although the rain clears out in the south, we're still expecting partly cloudy and cool weather over the western and southern part of South Africa, but for Gauteng it'll be a sunny and warm Wednesday.
News that moves. eNCA.com